7 people are not coming to school.
Okay. Good morning once again to everyone.
Ma'am, after
And
2 years we will come school.
yeah,
Ma'am, you are in school?
just a minute.
Ma'am, you are in school?
Ma'am is in school, and we are coming tomorrow in school. But ma'am is right now in school.
Uh, yes, just a minute. Let's start the class. So, children, as you know, please Viva, low around this. As you know that you are coming to the school and you all are excited for the timetable, you are all excited for the classes allocation. So please wait till the evening 5 o'clock. Everything will be posted to your classroom at 5 o'clock. Ma'am, I think Catherine ma'am has must have told you all in the first class.
Yes, ma'am. They have.
Ma'am, but she didn't say that everything will be at the 5 o'clock in the
Yes,
evening.
yes. Everything will be posted in the classroom in the evening, 5 o'clock. And then, students, one more thing I want to tell you that when you come to the offline and the students, those who are online, the 4C will be closed now. All classes for the online students. Mani, I will answer your query, okay? All the online classes, those who have adopted the online, classes and the classroom and the work, everything will be uploaded in the activity classroom only from now, from tomorrow onwards. Till today night, all the information we are going to give you through your classroom, into your classroom only. Okay? But after that, from tomorrow, your classroom will be not, means we are not going to put any information in your classroom. Everything will be posted in the activity classroom. Classes for the online students will be taken in the activity classroom, means only the activity classroom link you can come for the classes, for all the classes you can come in the activity classroom, as well as all the work, all the important information we will put in the activity classroom only from tomorrow onwards. Till today your classroom will work. Till today you will get all the information by the evening 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock to the classroom only. Any doubt till now? Yes, Manya, you ask your doubt.
Ma'am, you are for the maths teacher. You are not going to change, na?
No, no, I
Means
will be
another
there.
maths teacher.
No, no, I will be there.
Yes. Because in English, ma'am told that Swati ma'am will be our English teacher from
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, yes. English ma'am will be changed, but maths teacher, because I am the one who is taking in all the grades for ABC, so I will be the same. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in fifth grade you will teach us.
What happened?
Ma'am, in fifth grade you will teach us.
Let's see about the fifth grade first. Let's complete the grade four. Okay.
Ma'am,
Oh. Now take out your notebooks, everyone.
you're sitting near the music class now.
No.
That I can hear music from there.
Yeah, yeah, maybe. Okay, let's start the class. So students, as you know that we are doing the multiplication. First, we have done row and column method of multiplication. Also, then we have done proper algorithm method of multiplication. Also, then we have done the story problem based on the multiplication. And if you remember, Vedant, turn on your camera, please. We should turn on your camera. If you remember that I have sent you the worksheet also based on the story problems, please complete it as soon as possible and send it to me. Okay, David, turn on your camera. And now I'm coming on the multiplication with number line. अब number line पे कैसे multiplication करना है? That I think you must have learned in grade 2 and grade 3 also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I give you 5 multiplied by 2, what does this statement means? 5 multiplied by 2 means what?
We have to add 5 two times.
No. Reverse of this, इसका उल्टा बोलो.
Ma'am,
We
5
have
times
to
2.
add 2.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Means we
2
have to
times
add
5.
2. Ma'am, we
5
have to
times 2
add a
because
5. Yes.
because 5, then multiply, then 2. So multiplication sign means times, right? How many times? So the 5 times 2 means if I tell you write the 5 times 2, so how many times 2 you have to write?
5.
5
Five
times 2
times.
you have to write. So this statement means 5 multiplied by 2 means 5 times 2, because multiplication means times. कितनी बार आपको 2 लिखना है? Or you can say that 5 times 2 means
10.
yes, 5 groups of 2. This is also okay. If I say there are 10 pencils with you, okay, arrange these 10 pencils in the 5 groups of 2. So how many will be in the each group, students?
2. Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
2. 2 will be in the each group. And total are the
Yes.
10 pencils. So now I am going to present you my screen, and what I will show you on the screen, please write it in your notebooks. Then I will explain you that statement on the number line also.
Ma'am, what we have to give adding?
I will write here on the screen. This is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Adding multiplication on number line. So if I am telling you 4 multiplied by 2, this means 4 times 2, or it will also called as 4 groups of 2. And when you write add, you will add 2 4 times. So write it in your notebook this. 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times 2 you are saying. And it is also called 4 groups of 2. 2 के आपको 4 groups बनानी है. So here how many objects are there if they are making 4 groups of 2? How many objects are there total? My dear students, am I audible to you all? How many total objects? 4 groups of 2. 2 in each group, and if you make 4 groups, the total will be how many objects?
8.
Can you show us?
Suppose there are, just a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are lucky that I have total 8 markers to show you this demonstration also. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 markers. And I'm telling you, make the 4 groups of 2. So how many will be in the each group? 2 in the each group.
Ma'am, 2.
And this is 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. So how many are the total objects?
6.
8.
8.
Kumar,
8.
who is saying 6? Any confusion to any child?
8.
8. There are 8 objects. Okay. So this way you have to arrange the objects in the groups. So suppose it is, wait, I will present and show you again.
Ma'am, what is number line? I forgot.
First you write this, then I will move to the number line. See this way. First complete this, and number line means you have to, when you are not aware about the tables, okay, you don't know what is 4 multiplied by 2, but you know, you have learned about making the groups. So on the number line, when you make the groups, starting from 0 to 2 is one group, 2 to 4 is another group, because you have to make 4 groups of 2 na. 2 to 4 to 6 is the third group, and 6 to 8 is the fourth group. I will present you my screen also to show you the number line will look like this. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes,
from 0 to 2, one group, then 2 group will be under dot the 4, third group will be 4 to 6, and the fourth group will be 6 to 8. This way you have to make the number line. And without learning the tables also, you reach to the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
वो कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो उसका प्रोडक्ट कितना भी बड़ा हो, बट इफ यू नो the groups, making the groups, you can easily reach to the number line and you can easily reach to the product. Please write this, then we will make the number line of this statement.
And we can
1 0
write like 1 and then 4 multiplied by 2, 4 times 2, 4.
Yes. These all are the steps of this. 4 multiplied by 2 means 4 times 2, 4 groups of 2, or you can add 2 in each group will be 4 times, is also the same thing.
So, ma'am,
Then done.
we can like do 4 jumps of 2.
4?
4 times
No.
2 jumps of 4.
No, then it will be reversed. Then it will be 2 multiplied by 4, not 4 multiplied by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
When you will say 2 multiplied by 4 means 2 times 4. How many times 4? 2 times 4. 2 बार 4. एक बार 4 का जब 0 to 4 and 4 to 8. राइट इसका रिवर्स जब होगा ना अगर आप 2 times 4 लिखना है तो जस्ट इसका
रिवर्स नो we can't do reverse.
If we give you reverse, then you write in that statement. If we are giving 4 into 2, then this is the way. 4 times 2. If I say 2 into 4, so if I change this 2 into 4 means 2 times 4. Then in that case, there will be 4 objects in one group. And you are making only 2 groups. Clear? Mute yourself, someone mic is on. Danya, are you clear? If I said 2 times 4 means you are making only 2 groups and in each group we are putting 4 objects. है ना? सबका तरीका अलग-अलग हो रहा है ग्रुप्स बनाने का. There are suppose 16 students in a class. Okay? And if I say 4 in one group, so how many groups you will make?
Ma'am, 4 groups.
4 groups. Okay. Is there any other way of arranging the 16 people in the another groups?
Ma'am, the 2 groups. Like in a group, 2 things will be there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
So
14,
8. If I say 8 multiplied by 2, 8 groups of 2 also will be 16.
Yes.
4 multiplied by 4, 4 groups of 4 also 16.
Yes.
Yes, these are the different ways of arranging the groups. Okay. So when we are presenting the number line, it is compulsory that what is the first number is 4 times 2. So you should be clear how many times 2. Mute yourself, Danya, and just listen. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you see the statement 4 multiplied by 2, the statement, you should be very much clear with the statement that you have to arrange the 4 groups of 2. 2 के 4 groups बनाने and 4 times 2. Am I clear? Any confusion? After writing that which I was presenting, after completing this statements, everyone completed this about the 4 multiplied by 2, then I will go to the number line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please complete this fast so that I can go to number line now.
Ma'am, complete. Complete.
I have to write all of this that you have written now.
Yes.
You have
All
to
this
draw the number line also.
yes. Now I am coming on the number line, students. Number line you have to draw in this way. Always start the number line from 0, not from the 1. 0, because whenever you do the measurement also you start from 0, right? So am I audible? Children, I will keep on asking from you, am I audible or not? Because maybe some network issue.
Ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to write the we have to draw the number line.
Yes, draw the number line using the pencil and scale. And always remember start from 0. And always remember the distance between the numbers should be same, not uneven. Okay? It should be equal distance. Someone mic is on, that child can mute the mic, please. Okay. So start from 0. Use Tej Kumar, can I speak, please? Start from 0. Draw with the pencil and scale. Okay. And Now here the children will ask, ma'am, the number line should extend till which number? Okay. So you are, when you are making the groups, you should be very much clear that this number line should be within the 10 or the 15 numbers. It will be okay. There is no criteria that I can tell you the number line should be till 20 or till 25 or till no. It should depend on how many groups you are making. Am I clear? Just a minute, students. The last class. Classy. I don't know. Are you all clear till here? What I am trying to explain you?
Yes.
Okay. So we start. We are making 2 in each group. So first group will be from 0 to 2. The second group will same start from 2 to 4, not from 3. If you jump from 3 to the next number, it will come on 5. Then your answer will be wrong.
Ma'am.
2 to 4. Just a minute. Vihan, Dobaria and Tej Kumar, I will answer your queries. 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. This way we will reach to the product of our question. So you can check that you are not aware about the answer also, but when you are jumping according to the groups from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, you ultimately reach to your answer. 2 times, you can see that every time you are giving the jump of a 2, 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and the 4th group. Yes, Vihan, now ask please.
If I write two times 4 only at the first, it is okay?
No. 4 times 2, 4 groups of 2 also you have to write that.
Okay.
Yes, next, Kumar, please ask.
Ma'am, in our book we can draw only 15, so I can draw till 20. Ma'am, see, I have drawn like this, so I can draw
Yes,
down.
yes.
Also.
The main thing is your product should reach to the number line. इतना आ जाना चाहिए आपको. उसके बाद extended कितनी भी बड़ी number line हो, we don't want to see that. Okay. Yes, Mania.
No, ma'am, my question was the same only. As the answer is still 8. So I've added
It can
two
be 10
numbers like
till 10
9
also.
and 10. So is it okay or not?
Okay. It should be clear that your answer should reach to the number line. अगर आपका product पे reach नहीं हुआ, आपने छोटी सी number line बना ली, then there is no use of the number line, right? Because you need to reach to the product. आपको product पे पहुंचना है. Product के बाद अगर एक भी number extra होगा, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I want to show you this, and just a minute, let me take the attendance for a minute.
Now I have to draw all things with pencil now. Drawing that.
Only
line.
drawing with the pencil and scale, writing part will be with the pen.
And we have to draw that oval shape also, no, that we are doing on the number line.
Why oval shape? हाँ, jumping तो oval में ही आएगा ना बेटा, mountains ही
Ma'am,
बनेंगे
see.
ना.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
हाँ,
That
show
means
me.
we have to do it with pencil, no?
हाँ, pencil. Wait, Aradhya, let me pin you. Now do the jumps also, no? On the number line. अपने number line बना के छोड़ दिए. Make the mountains also, jump also. Then you will reach to the product. अब product पे directly तो पहुंच नहीं सकते. तेज कुमार, yes, show me. Correct. Do the second one also now. Second one is 5 multiplied by 4. Write all the statements which I have shown you about the 4 multiplied by 2. Same way you have to write for the 5 multiplied by 4. Can anyone explain me what will be the first line? What does this mean? 5 multiplied by 4. Yes.
Ma'am, may I say Manya?
Manya, what is 5 multiplied by 4 means?
Ma'am, 5 times 4.
How many groups of 4?
Ma'am, 5 groups of 4.
Okay. How many will be in the each group?
4.
4. And if you start from 0, your first jump will be on which number?
Ma'am,
4.
4.
Your second jump will be on which number?
8.
Third jump?
12.
Fourth jump?
16.
Fifth jump?
Fifth jump 20.
So your fifth jump is ended. Now you reach to which number?
20.
So 5 multiplied by 4 is the what answer?
20.
Yeah, got it? And it is here on the screen, 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20. When you are clear with this line that 5 multiplied by 4 means you have to do the 5 jumps of 4, 5 groups of 4. अगर आपको इसी लाइन से क्लियर है 5 times 4 करना है, मीन्स ईच ग्रुप में आपको 4 4 का जंप करना है. इसका ही रिवर्स कर देती हूँ अगर मैं 4 multiplied by 5. So what will happen? What will be in the each group?
5.
5. अब आंसर 20 ही आएगा, बट हर बार जो जंप होगा वो 5 का जंप होगा. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 एंड 15 to 20. और यहाँ पे टोटल जंप कितने हो गए अगर इसका रिवर्स हो गया तो 4 multiplied by 5 का, हाँ 4 जंप. गॉट इट एवरीवन? ये फर्क है दिस स्टेटमेंट का, एज दानिया वाज आस्किंग.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, when I measured with the big scale, 20 centimeter is coming on the next page. So how can I draw a line?
It is not according to the centimeter.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is not according to the centimeter. It is the distance you can take from your own. जो बीच का जो नंबर लाइन के डिस्टेंस है
Ma'am, we
0 to
can
1 का,
write-
it is not according to the
Ma'am,
centimeter.
if I do this,
See,
Ma'am, we
it is
can
not
draw
according to the
down.
centimeter. Wait a minute, Judge Kumar. Wait a minute. Let me explain her. So it is not according to the centimeter. It is, you can take this much distance, but remember the distance of in all the numbers should be same. है ना? आपको जरूरी नहीं है 1 सेंटीमीटर का ही डिस्टेंस ईच नंबर के बीच में लेना है. Got
okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes.
अब जो डिस्टेंस है वो नॉमिनल डिस्टेंस लीजिए 0 to 1 का, 1 to 2 का, बट रिमेंबर दैट डिस्टेंस शुड बी इक्वल इन ऑल द नंबर्स. जो डिस्टेंस 0 to 1 का लिया है वही 1 to 2 में भी फॉलो होना चाहिए, 2 to 3 में भी फॉलो होना चाहिए. और आपको ये भी दिमाग में माइंड में रखनी है कि वो नंबर लाइन आपकी नोटबुक और आपके स्पेस में आ जाए. क्लियर? Tej Kumar is not having in little bit patience also. Yes, Tej Kumar. Now please ask, Bacha.
Ma'am, we can draw downside.
No, half number line will not be accepted. The half up or half no. One line, one number line will be in the one line. And if it is not coming, if the numbers are big, it is not coming, you have to maintain the distance in the between the numbers. Am I clear with you all?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, please. Show me, Manya.
excuse me, ma'am. I just
Yes.
drew like only like this, but it is only coming till 16.
And what is your answer? No. So what you have to do, you have to keep the distance. Yes.
Ma'am. Okay, a bit more nearly.
Yes. The number should be a bit more near. Yes, Dania. Vishnu, wait a minute. Mute yourself, Vishnu. Okay. 5 times 4. 5 groups of 4. Very good. Very good, Dania. The way Dania is doing excellent. Yes,
Ma'am, see. Mine is okay.
How many in each group?
See mine.
At the for first one, the answer is at the second one, it is 20.
20 answer is there, but from 0 to your jump is on which number? First jump.
0 to 4,
हाँ.
4 to 8, 8
Yeah,
to 12,
this is
12
correct.
to 16, 16 to 20.
Yes. Next child, I want to talk with Suchi Mali is there, right? Suchi, I want to talk to you. Suchi, you have attended the class after a long time. May I know the reason? May I know the reason, Suchi? Suchi, may I know the reason? Yes, Anna. Please speak. Am I audible, students?
Ma'am, can I off my camera for 2 minutes?
You are not audible, Anna, to me. Anna, you are not audible to me.
Can I?
The second one also. So what I have.
Yes, yes. Now, those who have completed these two sums can do two more extra sums by their own and show me the notebooks.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anna, you are not audible, bacha.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aradhya, you speak.
Ma'am, my scale is coming. My book is coming till only 15. It is coming
As
till
I
only
explained the
15.
same thing to Manya also, that please keep the space less.
Ma'am,
Just a minute, let me check the network. Wait a minute, Aradhya. Yes, am I audible now, students, to you all?
yes.
Yes, Aradhya, 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and 12 to 16. So, Aradhya, the gap between the numbers is a bit little big. So, keep the gap less. थोड़ा कम रखो gap. अब आप
Ma'am,
erase
like
करो and
this.
do again.
Ma'am, like
Let
this.
me pin. Yes, let me pin you. And your numbers are too congested, very near. Okay.
mine is also coming
Ma'am,
so
it's
nearly.
You are taking 5 groups of 4. So each time you are taking which number?
Ma'am,
Wait a
it is
minute, Vishnu.
coming nearly only.
Okay, okay, then it's okay.
Renu ma'am, look at
I have pinned to Manya, then I will pin to Vishru. Then please, Neva, wait. 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16. Yes. Next is Vishru.
ma'am, the numbers are coming so nearly.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Vishrud had made in this way also you can make, but Vishrud, your work is not neat. Please use pencil and eraser. Your work is not neat.
Ma'am, can I do
Neva,
like this?
show me. Yes, you can do the
Ma'am, I have
sleeping
pencil.
also.
Ma'am,
And your, my dear, when you know the jumps, so make the neat mountains, no? Mountains,
yes ma'am.
जो length है, कोई एक नीचे जा रहा है, कोई ऊपर जा रहा है, that will not look neat. Please do two sums by your own.
Excuse me ma'am,
Yeah, please speak.
I can do this.
You can do in this way also, no problem.
Okay.
But do neat work, use proper pencil and scale. Am I visible and audible to you all?
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, I have done one number line from
Just a minute, give me 1 minute. I have to log in with the ID, another ID. So give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, Anna, see my own number.
She has done 5 multiplied 3. 5 groups of, what you have done? 5 multiplied 3, right, Dania?
No ma'am, 8 multiplied by 3.
8 multiplied by 3. So 8 groups of 3. So your first jump will be
Ma'am, first
Ma'am, I
First jump
also
will be
done
from 0 to
3, 0
the
to
3.
3,
I will
then
pin you.
3.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, 0
Then
to
3 to
3, then 3 to
hmm.
6, then 6 to 9, then 9 to 12,
Good, good,
12
good, good.
to
Do the next
15.
sum. And you
Yes, ma'am.
reach to the which number of product is?
Ma'am, 24.
Good. Ane, show me your
18.
notebook. Ane, what is your sum? 4 multiplied by 2 or 5 multiplied by 2?
Ma'am, my sum is 6 multiplied by 2.
Okay. 6 multiplied by 2. What do you mean by this 6 multiplied by 2?
6 times
What
2.
does this mean? 6 multiplied 6 times 2. So in each group, how many things you will put?
What, ma'am?
How many times 2? 6 times 2 you said, right? So when you put it on the number line, your first group will be from 0 to 0 से लेकर कहाँ तक होगा? 2 and next will be 2 to हाँ
2
next
to
will be
4.
from 2 to which number? So this way you
4,
will
4.
make how many groups?
I have made 6 groups.
Very good. So finally you reach to the which number?
12.
Very good. This way you can make your own sums and please discuss with me, students. So in this case, you have also learned that you are not aware about the multiplication answers. You are not aware how the answer will come. But ultimately, when you're putting it on the number line, you are reaching to your product. Am I right? Yes or no, students? आपने 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया, आपने 2 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया. But when you are putting it on the number line, you are reaching to the product. Yes? So are you all clear with the number lines? Any doubt to any child, please ask. Yes, Manya, show me. Which sum you have done, Manya? Can you read it for me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 multiplied by 2, then 7 times 2, 7 groups of 2, and 2 plus 7 means I've done 2
added.
7 times plus.
So your first group will be from 0 to 2.
2, 2
Next
to
will
4,
be
4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14.
So ultimately you're reaching to the 14. Clear?
Yes.
So children, I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the same concept and please write all the steps and do it in your notebook. When you write the steps, you will be more clear with the concept. And you do the more practice with the steps, then you will be more confident. So if you don't find the enough space on the worksheet, please do it in your notebook and attach your work today. Am I clear to you all? Any doubt to any child till now? Please make your own sums and share with me. Vihan, Moksh, Divit, Vedant, you are not visible to me. Please share. Vihan.
Camera is on only.
Yes, on. That's why I'm pinning you all and seeing because maybe because of network issue, I will not able to see you all.
Ma'am, I have made one sum.
Camera is on.
Okay. Moksh, I am going to pin you. Yes, please share.
Yes,
What is your sum?
ma'am, I have written 5 multiplied by 5. That means 5 times 5, 5 groups of 5. And if on number line first 0 to 5 will be 1, then 5 to 10 will be 2, then 5 to means 10 to 15 will be third, 15 to 20 will be fourth, and 20 to 25 will be fifth. So answer will be 25.
Yes.
MCIF done.
Okay, I will pin you. Show me.
Ma'am, 2 sums.
Why your number line is in the margin area? You have not started the number line from after the margin area. Your number line is moving towards the margin. You know that in the margin is there in the notebooks. आपकी number line वहाँ से start हो रही है. Can you show me again? Bring it little closer. वहाँ से start हो रही है, which will not be accepted बच्चा. Neat number line margin के बाद start करने हैं. It's okay, you have done 1 or 2 sums, but next time don't do. Okay? Show me.
Okay.
Show me. What is your sum? Can you read it for me?
Okay, ma'am. 6 multiplied by 3, 6 times 3, 6 groups of 3, 3, ma'am,
3
3.
will be 6 times.
Yes, ma'am.
So your first
Then
jump will be from 0 to.
0 to 3,
So
3
how
to
many jumps? How many jumps you will take?
6,
So you will reach on which number?
18.
Yes, good. Are you all
Then,
clear with the number line, students?
yes,
ma'am.
Any doubt to any child? Viva, you are clear? Viva, Dhyan Patel, Nishwa, Suchi, Vishruth. Everyone is clear? Am I visible and audible to you all?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you all clear, Aradhya? Clear with the number line?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Please, at least, Viva, you can also share one sum. Vedant, you can also share one sum. Divit, please share at least one sum. Viva, please share.
9 threes are.
Okay.
9 times 3, 9 groups of 3, then 3 plus 3 plus
How many times 3?
3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
So you are
Then
reaching, your
to
first
27.
jump will be from 0 to,
3.
and this way 3 to, next jump will be from 3 to.
6,
Okay.
6, 9, 12, 15,
So this
18,
way you
20,
will reach on which number?
27.
Very good. So thank you, students, for today's class.
Then meet you in the school.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.